Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just came up with the new video how to install PyCharm on Ubuntu. So basically you just have to write 3 commands for the installation of PyCharm on Ubuntu. Here I will enter my password, Ubuntu user, which we created earlier. If you have not seen, you can just watch my videos again. So here we go. I will just search for the terminal. Then we'll write a simple command sudo apt update and upgrade. So first I will just update. It's updating. Snapd, I will just install Snapd. Then it's installed. Now I will just install the pycharm community edition. So it's downloading. Once downloaded, then it will be installed. So basically there are 3 editions of pycharm: community, paid, and educational. Community is the free, and paid you have to pay for that one. It's a trial based, and the educational version is installed successfully. So I will just start it. I will write the command pycharm community, enter, and then it will be started. Just confirm, agree, continue. If you want to send or not send, don't know what is. Just we will just create a new project, and then I will just print hello world on the screen with the simple Python file. It's creating a project in pycharm. First project. Indexing. So once it will be completed, then I will just create a new file, Python file, and we'll write a simple command to print hello world on the screen. So here you go, it's completed. I will just right click on the project, Python file, then hello world. So Python file, and I will just print hello world, print hello world. Done, and you can see hello world is printed. That's it.